let's start talking about stuff on topic because the intro is 2 minutes long. Hey everyone, it's me, Amelia here, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the two small things. I know I said two things, but it technically is. Anyways, also don't mind my crusty nails, but so I picked up two of the DMC embroidery floss skeins, however you say it. They're 60 cents a piece. I'm going to be using this for an embroidered canvas. I've done one in the past with my loops and threads, but I don't really have this it's a solid gold type color. I may have a similar color, but I just wanted to pick up a new one so I knew I had it, and I can use it straight from the packaging, so I don't it's all one piece, and not cut pieces and things like that. Because for Christmas, spoiler alert,
if you are my best friend, Lainey, if you are watching this video, please skip ahead. I will let you know when you can stop, because I don't want to spoil your surprise.
Now that Lainey is officially gone, I got this to do an embroidered canvas for Christmas. I'm doing the Hamilton star, and then I'm gonna either color, I haven't really fully decided, but I think I'm gonna do the background a light cream white color. I'm still gonna paint it. I'm not gonna leave it the straight up canvas. And then I'm going to outline the star and everything and paint it black, and then I'm gonna poke holes and embroider the outline with this golden-y color. I had the sparkly one originally, but I felt like it was too copper. It wasn't. This is more Hamilton color, the golden-y yellow. So yeah, it is. If y'all are into the DMC numbers, it's 3821. Yeah, my new phone focuses better on the front camera than my old 8 did. So yeah, and there's not a name for the color name on here. That was only on the the store. But it's 8 meters, so I have a good enough amount, but because they're only 60 cents a piece, I picked up 2 just in case. And then whatever I don't use, I'll just put into my collection. So yeah.
Okay, now Lainey, you can come back.
But I picked up it was 30% off. It was originally $17, $16, something like that. I don't know. I don't have the receipt or anything. It is the intermediate. It's an intermediate. It's Pineapple Crush. So it is a partial drill canvas, meaning that the canvas, the sheet that has the sticky, only a certain part of it is sticky, not the entire thing. I don't know if this has any AB drill, so when I open it, I will tell you guys. But if you're wondering, AB drill stand for Aurora Borealis, and they're the diamonds that have kind of a holographic-y coating, so they're even shinier than the typical diamond. Let's get into this. You'll find 2 packages inside. Okay, so here's the canvas, and then inside the canvas you'll find instructions that are literally in multiple different languages. Okay, so it's really self-explanatory, but okay, so it is bigger than, I know, it's been rolled up, so you get your drills. Oh my gosh, they're pearl ones. See how they have this shine to them compared to these ones here? I don't know if you can tell, and look at these are rounded. Well, obviously these are rounded, but if you, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but if you were to look up close, they are rigid. So they are like a diamond shape. They have some flat edges to them, where these are straight, round, all around. The top is completely rounded and smooth, and then they have that coating. Those are so pretty. And you get so many because that's, instead of using black, you use white to outline it. These yellow AB drills for my other pineapple ones, so add those to my collection. And lastly is the little bag of accessories. So you get a tray, which is where you would pour the diamonds and like sift them and like pick them up from. And then these ones come with a little spout, which is nice. A little like pencil grip, which you literally should know what these are because these have been around for years. And then the little pen that you will pick it up with. It only picks up one. It only comes with a single placer. All of these kits come with single placers. And by the way, these are round drills. They also, other companies have square drills, which are the same thing. They're just square shaped. And then inside the baggie, you get more bags if you want to. I don't know if there's enough for every color, but if you were to, I use containers or something, but you can put these in there. That's what they're meant for. And then lastly is like a wax glue. So you would dip your pen in here, and that's what you use to pick up the diamonds and place it down. Not to glue them down, but so that the pen can hold them. Because it's not like something, you don't fill the pen and then it like kind of comes down. You have to physically hand pick it up. And I love the little containers that they come in. So this is called pink wax. But you can also use poster tack from the dollar store. It works really well too. So make sure to subscribe, check the description for social medias and things like that, and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.